Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, hello, you're welcome. My name is Rose. I'm a mother, a hairstylist, and also a YouTuber. In this channel we share a lot of video like cooking, talk about life experience, we do lifestyle vlog video, and we also share some hairstyles and more. So if you're interested in this kind of channel, please ensure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload you'll be the first one to be notified. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. So today guys, I'm back again with another video. Today's video I will be cooking and also be gisting you guys. So guys, today I will be telling you a true life story, something that happened to a friend of mine, and she wants me to share this story on this channel so that other people can learn from it. Before then, let me start by introducing the ingredients that I'll be using in cooking today. You can see I have my fried fish, my chicken, my beef, and my tomato sauce and my chicken stock. So today I'll be making Nigeria stew. So guys, let's dive into the story. Like this girl said this thing happened so many years ago when she was 9 years old, that her mom, sister, family sister relocated back from Lagos to their hometown. So when this lady relocated back to their hometown, she came to their house to tell her mom that she's finally back from Lagos, that she will not be going back again, that the mom should help her and look for an apartment for her. So she said on that day that the lady came to their house, her mom, her dad, everybody was around, and the lady even greeted the father. They all greet each other, and her mom was very excited to see this lady, but she never knew that the lady had another agenda. So she said after that day, her mom started to hear rumor that this lady is dating her husband, but the mom never believed any of this rumor, not up to when the lady was pregnant for her husband. So when the mom finally believed that okay, this lady has something to do with my husband, it was too late because the lady was already pregnant. So the mom tried to convince her husband, that is this my friend father, to stop whatever he had with this lady, but the husband told her that the lady is already pregnant for him and he cannot stop now. So she just had to deal with the situation. And the mom said she cannot share her husband with her own family sister, that she's going to move out. So she was threatening her husband like that, but the husband never listened. It continued with the relationship with this lady. But meanwhile, my friend told me that before the whole saga, her mom and her father was into palm oil production. If you are a Nigerian, you understand what I mean by palm oil. So she said the whole money that they were making from this palm oil production, her father was giving it to this lady, and that even worsened the situation because her mom wasn't finding it funny. Each time she asked for money from her husband will insult her, they will fight. She said her father will even beat her mom, and the whole thing was just so traumatizing. So her mom couldn't bear the whole thing again, and she finally moved her from the house. But before then, her mom lost a pregnancy because according to her, she said her mom was pregnant when this whole thing started. So because of the trauma and the beating and everything, the mom lost the pregnancy. So the mom moved away from the community, very far away. She moved to another state, leaving her behind with her father. So when the mom moved out, the father brought this lady to their house and they were living together. But she said this lady was maltreating her. In fact, she was living like a slave in her own father's house. Each time she tried to complain things to the father would never even want to pay attention to her. He will not even want to listen. That is how the whole thing continued. She said sometimes she will not even eat. This woman will starve her, but she will give her other children food because according to her, she said this woman brought 2 children from Lagos to their hometown, so they were all living together. She cherished these other children, her own children, more than her. She will starve her. She will not even give her food to eat. She will maltreat her. Like, she said she was just living like a slave in her own father's house, and her father was not even paying attention, was not paying an attention to her. Even if she tried to complain to him, and tell him what the lady was doing to her, he never listened. So she said that was how the whole thing continued, and she even had to drop out from school, because she said when her mom and her father was living together, they enrolled her in a very expensive private school that she was attending. So when this whole thing started, when after the mom moved out, she couldn't continue the school because her father was not paying her school fees anymore. So she had to drop out. She started going to government school. So she said because of the way this woman was starving her, she was losing so much weight. So people were calling her mom that she should come back and take her daughter. So she said her mom spent 3 months leaving her behind for 3 months. So when the mom came, when she saw her, she saw that her child was really suffering. So she had to take her along. So guys, she said her mom took her to where she relocated to, and things were not normal like the way they used to be when her mom and her father were still living together. According to her, when her mom took her along, her mom was just angry at every given opportunity. In fact, she said her mom was just putting the anger on her because of the things that her father have done to the mother. So the mother was just putting the blame, the anger, everything on her, to the point that the whole thing even make her to had a boyfriend at a very early age, and she even got pregnant. And the guy that she was pregnant for, thinking that he was a nice person, but she never knew that the guy also is a devil in a human form. So she said this whole thing happened so many years ago, but up to this time she herself still blame her father for everything that is happening to her and had happened to her, because according to her, she said maybe if her father did not impregnate that woman, maybe by now she would have finished her education, and maybe her life would have been better than the way it is right now. So why she want me to share this story? She want me to share this story to parents, especially if maybe your marriage did not work out. Do not put the blame on the child, because the child had nothing to do with what happened in your marriage. Because she said when this whole thing happened, her mom was just a different person entirely. The mom was just angry. Every little thing should be angry at her. Like, it seems like the mom was just putting the whole blame on her. So the reason why she said I should share this story is because of single parents, especially mothers. She said if maybe your marriage did not work out, please do not put the blame on your child, and try your possible best to take care of your child or your children, because they are your walking stick tomorrow at your old age. So she said the whole thing happened a very long time ago, but up to this time she still blamed the both parents, her mom and her dad, because the time, according to her, she said the time she needed them the most, they weren't there, and maybe her life would have been better if they were still together. So she want me to share this story for people to learn. And me, my own advice on this story is that if you are a woman and you are married, or maybe you are not married but you had a child with someone and your relationship did not work out, please don't put that blame on your children or on your child. Always make sure to take care of your children. Put your children first before any man, because men can walk away from your life, but your child or your children can never walk away from your life. So guys, what do you think about this story? What did you learn from this story? And if you know anybody, like you know any man or any woman that is in this situation right now, maybe something happened in their relationship and they are not taking their children serious, or they are not paying attention to their children, try to talk to those kind of people, because every mistake you do in your child's life can affect their future tomorrow. So this is the reason why I'm bringing up the story here. A child is very important. Children are very important in our life and in society. So don't play with children's future. Don't play with their education. Don't play with their well-being. Always try your best to take care of your children. regardless of what's happened or what is going on in your relationship or in your marriage. It had nothing to do with that. So let your children be your first priority, please. So guys, I hope you learned something from this story. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please, if you do learn something and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to suggest my videos to other channels. And also don't forget to give me a subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, support me by subscribing, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first one to be notified. At this point, I've already cooked my Nigerian stew, and here I'm making some gizzard sauce. As you can see, I've already fried the tomato, the pepper, everything. I've already added my gizzard. So I just added the bell peppers, and later I'll be slicing some onions to garnish this whole gizzard sauce. Thank you all so much for being here. At this point, I will say enjoy the rest of the video. Till next time, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever. Space.